Breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe out. Trust. So there's plus females को ऐसा carry करना है.
Should I buy a posture corrector?
Don't use. We'll work on muscles only. I don't trust in a posture corrector. I trust on workout and strengthening. Right side please. Right side. Relax. Turn your neck left side. Relax. Right side. See. One is short and one is long. See. Now turn neck this side. For muscle strengthening. If you guys will be at Singapore, then also will support you, sir. Thank you. Always welcome, sir.
दिखा दो दोबारा.
Not taken. That's fine. See. This is misaligned, sir, right?
Yeah.
If I'm checking with the toe and I'm checking with the heel, see this heel is high, and with the foot, this one is shortened compared to. Right is shortened, right limb is shortened compared to left, and the TA is tight. This muscle is tight now. Relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay. One more time. Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay. Breathe in. Breathe out. Sir, you can check now compared to this one. Now this is better. Any pain in the knee?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. You guys are taking proper nutrition with the workout? Yeah, I think so. You guys. We need proper supplementation with the workout.
I eat multivitamins.
Multivitamins? Great. Omega 3?
Yeah.
Great. Vitamin D3, vitamin B12?
Yeah.
All are important. Breathe out. Okay. See, sir, the patella is slightly rooted, lateral. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Yes. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in, please. Breathe out. Keep your hand here. Okay. Look straight. Yes, straight. Elbow will be flat. Use. Breathe in. Breathe out. Trust. Breathe out. Trust. Neck will be relaxed. Neck will be relaxed. This leg will be slightly forward. This leg will be straight. Okay. Relax. Use. Please look this side. Breathe in. Breathe out. Trust. You should keep it happy. Otherwise,
Yeah.
at home you guys will fight. My wives were lesser here. Her was high. So that's the reason. Even my wife neck cracks more than me. Relax. Yes. Yes. Slightly come up. Yes. Here down. Yes. Relax. This is fine. Breathe in. Out. Breathe in, breathe out.